belajar lagi, kita dalemin lagi tentang naratif teks. Nah ini, pakai yang ini aja. Oke, sudah kelihatan ya teman-teman di layar? Jadi pada prosedur teks itu ada goal, material, steps. Ini pada slide selanjutnya, goalnya contain information about the destination in the making or operation of something. Materials, jadi setelah ada title atau goal, there are 3 types of procedural text. Identifies how to perform instruction, for example, how to use the video game, the computer. Terus ada procedural text that instruct how to perform certain activities, misalnya how to read safety rules, video game rules, atau procedural text relating to human nature or habit, how to live happily, how to succeed. Lalu kemudian ada step-nya, on the step contains about step or sequence that must be done so that the goals outlined in the goal can be achieved. Steps or sequence of the sequence must be the first to the last. Oke. Itu sebagai tambahan aja, kita ulang cepat aja tadi tentang prosedur teks. Jadi dalam prosedur teks ada definition, structure, language features, and purpose. Definitionnya is the text that instruct or explain how something works or how to do something, such as receipt, science experiment, electronic instruction, and etc. Lalu di structure-nya kita punya title, ada materials, alat-alatnya, lalu ada steps dan tips. This is the example of procedure text. Ada title, materials. Materialsnya tuh including peralatan, equipment, and ingredients. Terus bawahnya ada steps and then tips. This is the language features. Kalian harus pakai simple present tense di sini karena beda sama naratif. Kalau naratif tuh kalian pakai simple past tense. Di sini kalian pakai simple present tense yang basic formulanya tuh pakai verb 1. Lalu ada command. Use command tuh artinya menggunakan kalimat perintah. Jadi di awal kalimat menggunakan verb 1 semua. Lalu use action verb. Misalnya put, was, fold. And adverbial, kata keterangan, manner, waktu, suasana, tempat, seperti itu. Lalu noun-nya juga harus banyak. Of course, kalian harus punya vocabulary yang banyak juga. Nah, this is the purpose. This tag guides the reader by its information. Jadi, tujuannya itu guide atau membimbing reader how to do or how to make something. Nah, this is writing procedure text. How to make snack from ravioli. This is the example I have explained before. After you put your title here, how to make snack from ravioli, then put materials and ingredients, then steps. Okay, and you can put your comments after the steps. It's optional for you. Tips: you can serve snack from ravioli with sweet chili or mayonnaise. Nah, this tips is just for additional information. Oke, mungkin nanti teman-teman next week saya minta untuk membuat teks prosedur teks ya. Kalian bisa buat presentation tentang prosedur teks. Ada pertanyaan teman-teman?
Sudah cukup